How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna show you how to restore the sticky door handles on your car. So if you like the video, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing. If we take a closer look at this door handle right here, you can see that it looks pretty bad. The rubberized finish, which was originally used, degraded over time, and now it's all scratched up. And not only that, it's also sticky, so it collects grime and dirt. Now, one thing that I gotta warn you about is the upholstery on the door panel. If it's from the sensitive materials, you would want to protect that, as well as the window switches if they were not previously restored. I also got a great video for that, and I'll put the link into the video description. There are only two things you will essentially need. The first one is the 70% alcohol, preferably in spray, and the second thing you're gonna need is some cotton rag. You can use pretty much anything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my 70% alcohol and I'm gonna spray it on the door handle. I'm gonna take the cotton rag and start wiping off the rubberized paint. As you can see right here, it's already starting to come off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna repeat this process until I pretty much remove all of the paint from the door handle. Alright, let's check out the final result. As you can see right here, the door handle came out pretty good. Now some of the scratches and damage you can see on the plastic didn't come out, obviously. There are also some of the minor scratches left on the plastic itself, but in the end the door handle came out great. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.